Hi, I'm Allie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my go-to updo that I use for concert performances. It looks really intricate at the end, but it's actually really simple to do. It's heat-free and product-free, which is great. Start by sectioning off 2 pieces at the side of your head for later. You can separate those with little clips if they don't stay in the front. My hair's getting long enough that I don't need to worry about that so much. Pin it in place with a couple crossing the bobby pins. You want it to be really solid feeling since it's going to kind of hold the rest of your hair together. So put in any extra bobby pins if you feel like it needs it. At the top of the front section, start twisting your hair towards your head, adding in the rest of the section as you progress down and back. Once the twist reaches the crisscrossed bobby pins, pin the twist over them. Once your hair is secured, take some time to look in the mirror and shape the side of your hair how you like it, so you can kind of pull sections out and pin them in place until it looks just right. Then do the same thing to the other side. To build the bun, take a small section of hair and roll it in a loose curl shape over your fingers. For a more voluminous end product, make sure the curl isn't too small or tight. And then tuck the end of the hair into the curl, then start positioning it for pinning. Spread out the curl as much as you like. And then with one hand threading through the curl, hold it against your head. Grab a bobby pin with the other hand and secure the curl to your head on each side. If you feel like it's not secure, you can stick more bobby pins in. And if the curl is being kind of floppy like this one, you can help it out by pinning more sections of it down. Do this again on both sides, then use the remaining hair to build the bottom edges. I ended up doing 5 curl rolls, but it's fine if you end up with more than that. And now I'm realizing that my tag's been out the whole time, huh? At this point, it's smart to get another mirror handy to look at what you've done, find any little wispies, pull out a few more sections, etc. So if you want, you can stop here, But let's see how this looks with flowers. I'll use this cute headband I brought back from Germany. Place the headband over the top of your curls and carefully pin it in place in the center and on the sides. Make sure the pins are hidden. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.